isasabit ninyo ang hula hoop.
Ang housemates na nalangin muna bago magsimula.
Bilang Dream Team, ay magagawa po namin ito sa ngalan ni Jesus. Amen!
Dream Team, your time starts now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Madami pong tumatakbo sa isip ko po noon, kuya. Siyempre, ayaw magkamali. Yung pressure dumarating. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mas po ng pressure dahil nga sa akin magsisimula yung first step.
Dance ka ba, no?
First task po namin na dream team na kami, and I'm so excited on how things will turn out.
5, 6, 7. Kisses.
Ready, baba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jinvi, ready. Wait lang. Ready? Wait. Ready, go. Thank you.
We were practicing, and I was never nervous until Ate Jinri was next to me with the hula hoop. Uy, kung gano'n talaga, boy.
It's okay. Pag nalalaglag, kuya, syempre may unting gulat, pero tuloy-tuloy lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guys, really? Wala.
You just need presence of mind. I lost that.
Dahil sa pagkakamali ni Edward, nagsimula ulit kay Nono.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1.
Mapagtagumpayan pa kaya ng Dream Team ang kanilang task?